true consonant vibration. Charm is the mean by which you gather to you all that you wish. You have no need for demands or curry favor. Your charm so intrigues all around you that it is their pleasure to ply you with all the things for which you express a desire. For this reason, you are also a welcome guest at any party. It is known that with you in attendance, a host can rest easily, knowing that you will make friends quickly and easily and put the more reticent or reserved guests at ease. You like to fantasize and then bring your dreams to life. You build upon these dreams, never thinking in terms of an unattainable goal. Your rationalization is that if you can visualize it in your mind, then surely it must be true. You believe that there are certain rules by which we must live, and if we follow them to the best of our ability, we will be greatly rewarded. If we break these rules, we will have to pay the price. This is your way of thinking, and you live your life as an exemplary manner as you find possible. You have no patience with those who abuse these rules or force their way of life on others. As a mother, you will easily be able to express the necessity for the golden rule to your children, inasmuch as you live it to the letter. To see is to believe, and to believe is divine. You surround yourself with this fairness, and again, this is a benefit to your children. As an employer, these traits add to your position because those who work under or with you can always be assured of an honest judgment in all that they do. They will be justly rewarded for a job well done. This natural desire to help all with whom you come in contact with is just a part of an overall generosity and expression of the good you feel inside. But allow these same instincts and relationships to your own situation in life as well. To do all that is good and kind can make your life an everlasting happy one. This reminder is necessary because there is a negativity in the number 2 that can incite you to anger and cause you to undo all the good you have done if you don't get your way. Resist the impulse to connive if things do not go your way. If it isn't worth acquiring an honest and open sense, attaining it by sneaky or foul means is not going to bring you happiness. The positive side of your vibration could never allow you to enjoy anything you are not proud of acquiring. Your conscience would eventually destroy you. To follow the positive power you have inherited is to assure yourself of an honest, well-earned, and much appreciated station in life. You will be a shining example to all.